Joined tonight by Shikha Swaraj, Secretary of ABVP in JNU. Shikha, what happened? Can you just tell us what happened? Hua kya? Shikha Swaraj, can you hear me?
Yes, I can. Can you hear me?
I can hear you. What happened? Can you tell us when did the leftist extremists carry out this violence?
Exactly. This is just the frustration that we see in this campus of all the left organizations that since morning they have been doing this. They released a parcha that this movie cannot be screened. They tear down the poster that we have put in the campus, and finally at the screening, when huge number of students, near about 1,000 students, they were gathered at Sabarmati Dhaba. They were peacefully watching the screening, the movie, and then they thought that this cannot happen. Why so much people watching such truth? This is just a very unpleasant truth that they do not want to hear or talk about. Their academia, Januta, the professors over here, the left academia, they have never taught them these things. So they are basically very frustrated over this. That why so
why
much
did you
people,
take admission?
they turn out and they are watching this.
You should have gone to an RSS university, no? If you believe that JNU historians don't teach anything, they don't teach real history. Why do you study in that campus in the first place? And I remember when people talk about democracy at your campus, your BJP leaders go around and say, university to padhne likhne ki jagah hoti hai, to ab aap movie kyun dikha rahe ho? Dusri baat ye movie hai, documentary
Nikhil, first, Nikhil, you intervened when she was speaking. Now listen to her. Ratan Chadha, just wait, let her respond.
Mr. Jain, don't bully your student. This is exactly I was talking about. This is exactly the thing that I was talking about. They cannot bear to hear us. They have no patience to hear us out. They cannot, I mean, पत्थरबाजी हुई है, लोगों पे पत्थर फेंके गए, तो लोग सामने से बैठकर देख रहे थे, उन पे अगर पत्थर चले, आपको कैसा लगेगा? आप डिबेट कर सकते थे, flaunt about debate, discussion, and debate culture. We disagree and we discuss things. This is your debate. This is your discussion culture of discussion. That you're throwing stones on students watching movie. अगर आपको नहीं पसंद है आप बात करिए, अगर आपको नहीं पसंद है आप मत देखिए. अगर हजारों की संख्या में लोग आकर देख रहे हैं, this is a very in the terms of
very intolerant attitude, extremist, radical extremist attitude. एंड स्टोन पेल्टिंग जैसे संगीत रागी रतन शाह आप जानते हैं, ये लेफ्टिस्ट रेडिकल एक्सट्रीमिस्ट की एक पहचान हो गई है, पत्थरबाजी.
JNU कैंपस में
इससे इमोशनली इन्वॉल्व है ये पत्थरबाज. दीज आर पत्थरबाज, दंगेबाज टाइप ऑफ पीपल. ये पत्थरबाज और दंगेबाज लोग हैं, कुछ भी करेंगे सच्चाई को रोकने के लिए. रतन शाह
रिप्रेजेंटिंग द लेफ्टिस्ट यूनियंस एंड नेवर सॉ मिस्टर जैन सो एजिटेटेड, नेवर सॉ मी प्रोटेस्ट अगेंस्ट द लेफ्टिस्ट नेचर ऑफ JNU क्लेमिंग दैट इट शुड बी देयर. Is he a lawyer for these leftist students who will be caught now for the rioting?
You should catch them for rioting and put them in jail.
Be tolerant. Mr. Jain, be tolerant. If you want to have a debate, be tolerant.
And let's see that in court.
True nature of fascism.
Have them file a charge sheet and we'll see in court if I'll be defending the leftists or if I'll be defending whom.
You will not allow right of expression to people who don't speak your language, who don't agree with your opinion. That is typical religious cult of Marxist communist people. That is why this attack on JNU students.
You see this.
You can make a Parzania as if no Godhra took place. You can make a Haider and dance in front of Martanda temple, calling it Shaitan ki Gufa. You can have Kashmir. You can have Mission Kashmir, where a terrorist is shown in a very positive manner. But you cannot make a film like Kashmir Files because it tells you the truth about Kashmiri Hindus exodus. But you denied that.
No, you
cannot
can't
make a Kerala story. It is based on fact.
Yeah,
you cannot make Sabarmati Express because it tells you before Gujarat had something else has happened. You cannot speak about that. This is the nature of fascist communists. North Korea, China, earlier Russia, Islamic countries, earlier pre-NSS Christian countries. This particular trend of not allowing any other thought is what has brought wars to this world, what has destroyed societies. 11 crore people were killed by the communist people just because they didn't agree with their ideology. Same thing is happening in JNU. Why are they afraid of the truth? Because they hate truth right from beginning, right about calling Hindus an invasion, invading Aryans, then saying migration. They're the same people who denied Somnath temple. They're same people.
1 minute, Ratan Sharda, can I get the other side? Can I get the other side? These are people who are against the constitution, and more importantly, they don't want the people of this country to know that 58 people were burnt alive in the S6 coach of the Sabarmati Express by a Muslim mob. They want people to believe by a Muslim mob.
Which said that pain was actually burnt from inside. That is the joke of this Banerjee Commissioner Lalu Yadav.
No, one.
Justify that.
No, and moreover, thank you. Moreover, they were very happy when the BBC documentary on Narendra Modi was shown on JNU. It was very good.
Why are Amit Shah and Narendra Modi?
Tomorrow, if there is a documentary on Babar, they will love it. Tomorrow, if there is a documentary on Babar, maybe Rahul Gandhi and Deepika Padukone will go to... tomorrow if there is a documentary on Babar, then Deepika Padukone and Rahul Gandhi will go to inaugurate a documentary on Babar or Aurangzeb. But you see, 1 minute, can you be quiet? I'm talking to Ratnakar. Ratnakar, out of the 58 victims, 27 were women and 20 were children. I want the country to know, and Ratnakar versus Sangeet Ragi now. I want the country to know that 81% of the people who were killed in the S6 coach, which was burnt alive by a Muslim mob, were children and women.
But Narendra Modi has not
children and women, and that was that. I think you can't hide this. Can I get the two people I mentioned on the screen? Can you keep quiet? Reduce his volume. Misbehaving tonight. I don't behave like Kanhaiya Kumar on my program. The question is this, you see, people have not forgotten. And if this is the truth, Ratnakar Tripathi, there is a death toll on both sides. Post-Sabarmati riots, 1,044 people, there were victims, 254 were Hindus also. There was loss of life on both sides. But what triggered it? What triggered it was the killing, genocide of Hindu pilgrims, car sevaks on the Sabarmati Express. We should not be ashamed to accept these realities. This is a reality. We cannot have a one-sided narrative.
Nobody is ashamed and everybody knows the truth.
What is the truth? About Sabarmati, can you tell us? What is the truth about Sabarmati, can you tell us?
Dr. Goswami,
what is the truth about Sabarmati?
One has to have great patience to listen to your rhetoric.
What is the truth about Sabarmati?
Let me speak. I told you, no? I'm losing my patience now.
No, don't lose your patience. But why did 59 people die on Sabarmati?
Because I strongly condemn you, not your words, for your words, terming me as anti-constitutional. Right?
Why did 59 people die on Sabarmati?
Please do bite your tongue and take your words.
Why did 59 people die on Sabarmati?
You told that we are anti-constitutional. So
I said these people are. I'm sure you don't support them. I said these people.
Please, Dr. Goswami, why you always interrupt?
I didn't take your name.
So whom were you talking to, sir?
I said these people.
These opposition.
These people. These people. Yes, these people.
These people. So you were not referring to Sangeet Ragi and Ratan Sharda.
No, I didn't say whether Sangeet Ragi or Ratnakar. I didn't say. Aapko guilty complex hai.
Dr. Goswami are a guilty conscious. Karma returns.
He is admitting like
Karma returns, Dr. Goswami. Turn the pages to 25th January 2023, when the JNU administration threatened the student union to take action to rusticate if they go on showing the documentary India Modi Mission, the Modi Mission. There was a power cut, there was a blackout in JNU and stone pelting by ABVP students. So the karma has turned only. Yes, the biggest question is, that is airing a picture or documentary of crime? No. The viewers are the most justified people to tell you about what has happened or not in the documentary or in the film. So why is such partiality? Why was there a breakout? Why the ABP people pelted stone? Why they were
such a long reply, but
take action?
इतना लंबा reply. इतना लंबा रिप्लाई,
अरे लंबा रिप्लाई,
इतनी लंबी रिप्लाई
स्वामी जी। जो आज हुआ है वो किया गया है।
आज क्या हुआ? कहने से शर्माते क्यों है? आज क्या हुआ? लेफ्टिस्ट एक्सट्रीमिस्ट, रेडिकल लेफ्टिस्ट एक्सट्रीमिस्ट, एंटी नेशनल लोगों ने क्या किया?
मिशन मोदी मिशन,
हाँ बोलिए क्या किया?
बच्चों ने मोबाइल की रोशनी में देखा।
अरे साबरमती एक्सप्रेस में 59 हिंदुओं को किसने मारा? उनमें से 27 औरतें थी, 20 हिंदू बच्चे थे, 20 हिंदू बच्चे थे, 27 हिंदू औरतें थी। रत्नाकर त्रिपाठी अपने आप को सनातनी बोलने वाले ये कहने में झिझकते हैं आज प्रोग्राम पर।
आपकी तरह नहीं हूं कि पढ़ने लिखने वालों के बच्चों को बोलूं जेल भेजा जाए।
कौन पढ़ने लिखने बच्चों को? कोई कहे अपना पढ़ना लिखा है, जो कहता है कोई ऐसा पढ़ा लिखा आदमी मुझे दिखाओ जो कहता है अफजल हम शर्मिंदा है, तेरे कातिल जिंदा है। ये पढ़ाई लिखाई होती है।
You haven't lived the life of the student.
I have not lived the life of a student. भैया ये तो मत बताइए भाई, ये आप बस माफ कर दीजिए। डोंट गिव मी दैट लेक्चर। आपसे ज्यादा पढ़ा लिखा हूं और आपसे ज्यादा अच्छे कॉलेज में रहा हूं और आपसे अच्छे नंबर मेरे को मिले हैं, आपसे अच्छा पढ़ा लिखा हूं मैं। अरे हम हिंदू कॉलेज के टॉपर हैं। अरे छोड़िए, आप स्कॉलरशिप में हम ऑक्सफोर्ड गए हैं। आप क्या पढ़ाई लिखाई की बात करते हैं? पढ़ाई लिखाई मत सिखाइए हमको। आप व्यक्तिगत बातें ना कहें तो अच्छा होगा, नहीं तो ऐसा हिटबैक करूंगा आप जवाब नहीं दे पाएंगे।
जेल भेजा जाए।
may I come in now?
मैंने कहा कि जिसने पत्थरबाजी की है उसको जेल भेजा जाए। क्या गलत कहा?
क्यों भाई, क्यों भेजा जाए?
और क्यों भेजा? अच्छा, पत्थरबाजी करे किसी को पद्मश्री दे दीजिए आप,
जेल भेजा जाए।
हाँ, संगीत रागी
आपने
चलो, ये मेरा राय है, इट्स माय व्यू। क्या कर लेंगे आप? संगीत रागी,
मेरी भी राय आपके बारे में
Arno, let me begin with saying that the leftists are the biggest intellectual cowards. They are intolerant, and there is a striking similarity between the radical Islamist and the radical leftist. They believe in political cannibalism. They have massacred people in using the politics in Bengal and also in Kerala. They have done elsewhere also, and here also. They were, they patronized one set of ideology at JNU campus. For last 10 years, the things have started changing, and JNU professors and the students, led by the Islamists and the Marxists, are not ready to engage with the ideology which is coming from any kind of a narrative which is coming from the right wing. So take it, the Kashmir story or the Kerala story, whether it is on the issue of the love jihad or it is on, the massacre of the Hindus, and they were not killed by the Muslims only, they were supported by the Congress, the UPA government. Why do we forget the Lalu Prasad Yadav constituting a committee as a Minister of Railways, in which it was, proved, actually, the conclusion was already made before the committee was constituted, that it was the car sevak who burnt themselves. The train, it was not because of the stone pelting by the Islamic radicalist, but it was within the compartment, and it was the car sevak who burnt themselves. So this kind of narratives was, who navigated this kind of narrative? It is the Congress party. It is the Islamic radicalist. And now, if anybody is trying to change that narrative and give the true story of, have you ever seen, Arno, you were that time probably, you must remember, that there was a famous quote, "Camera to sach hi bolta hai." The man is a leading journalist today with a different channel. We then had made it, कैमरा हर समय सच नहीं बोलता है, ये डिपेंड करता है कि उसके कैमरे का लेंस किधर हो। ये सच, this is the story, the true story is that 397 Hindus were also killed in the riots. But throughout the country, throughout the world, the Congress party piloted this narrative that there was a massacre of the Muslims only. No, that's not the reality of. I have worked on more than 2,000 clippings on the Godhra reporting. local reportings, the reportings in Urdu, reportings in Gujarati, and also English. I can tell you that how media, certain kind of narratives were, propagated by the left-leaning media and the Islamist media in this country, and also the
Ratnakar Tripathi.
What a short reply. You are behaving like Dhankar.
Ratnakar ji.
Totally, you are doing injustice. You said I gave a very long reply.
But
what did he say? What time he consumed? What time he consumed, Dr. Goswami?
Both are supported by unfortunately, by the Italian Congress. That's the reality.
So severe ties with Italy.
No.
And multi-fold increase in the import from China.
National Congress.
Multi-fold increase from import in China from China.
It is Italian National Congress which runs the
TikTok doesn't do anything to China.
Let us not
It's very sad today. No, it's very sad today, Ratan Sharda, that Ratnakar Tripathi is supporting the act of violence in the JNU campus. Most unfortunate, not expected at all. Today I thought at least he would take a more reasonable line, Ratan Sharda. He's driven by hatred.
And party man is controlled by JNU groupies. Ratnakar ji knows it. Place for his kind of congressman is no more there in Congress. The JNU groupings were controlling Rahul Gandhi's statements. So he has to behave that way if he has to stay anywhere in Congress. Point is are you allowed to make a film when you talk of freedom of expression? Are you allowed to make a film which is based on facts? Or you will keep on living in a la la land where you live on myth, you will speak of myth, you will speak of mythification of history, not just old history, even current history. The fact that Godhra's people who fired the train actually were convicted, they are facing jail term, they are in jail. Still you believe that Banerjee Commission report which said that coach was burnt from inside, which insulted the very violence against those hapless people, and Mr. Congress person is standing with them, Ratnakar ji? Why are you standing with them?
No, it's very sad what happened in the JNU campus today. And I'd like to go back once again to Shikha Swaraj. Shikha Swaraj, इस लेफ्टिस्ट आपको जैसे कहा गया, देखिए रत्नाकर जी आज एक वर्ड आज जो शब्द का प्रयोग किया गया रत्नाकर त्रिपाठी संगीत रागी ने, वो शब्द है इंटेलेक्चुअल कावर्ड, यानी कि बौद्धिक कायर। बौद्धिक कायर
का विरोध किया है।
बौद्धिक कायर यानी कि इंटेलेक्चुअल कावर्ड कहा।
जाति परिषद ने पत्थर फेंके, आज जिन्होंने पत्थर फेंके, दोनों का मैं विरोध करता।
शुरू कर दिया,
दोनों चीजों को आना चाहिए था, दोनों पिक्चरों को देखना चाहिए।
फिल्म को पर अटैक करना गलत है, आप वहां से शुरुआत करिए, फिर आपको जो अर्नब को कहना कहिए, लेकिन नहीं, आपको उन विद्यार्थियों का मजाक उड़ाना है।
जो अर्नब को कहना होगा मैं कहूंगा चाचा जी,
वो फिल्म दिखाना चाहता है।
I'd like to ask शिखा स्वराज, उसके बाद पिक्चर क्या दिखाई गई? पिक्चर दिखाई गई, कितने लोगों ने देखा, कैसा रेस्पॉन्स रहा और किस माहौल में दिखाया गया?
Pehle, whosoever the gentleman was speaking, I do not agree with him. Even the way he spoke that ABVP people did this. आज अगर वो कैंपस में होते तो उनको पता चलता कि यहाँ का लेफ्ट कैंपस, यहाँ का लेफ्ट कैडर कैसे बिहेव करता है। जब हजारों की संख्या में स्टूडेंट्स बैठकर मूवी देख रहे हैं तो उस पर पत्थर फेंकना ये यहाँ का लेफ्ट कैडर ही कर सकता है। And I am really sorry sir, I do not agree with you at all. कहीं भी इसी तरह की चीज में इन्वॉल्व था। आपका जो इनटॉलरेंस है वो आपके शब्दों में ही झलक रहा है। आप जिस तरह से फ्रस्ट्रेटेड हैं, ये बात जानकर कि कैसे स्क्रीनिंग हो सकती है। अर्नब लोगों ने अपना गढ़ बना के रखा हुआ था। इनको लगता था जेएनयू में इस तरह की स्क्रीनिंग कोई बात भी नहीं कर सकता। आज जब स्क्रीनिंग हो रही है, जब लोग यहाँ पे मौजूद हैं, ये पच ही नहीं रही बात इनको। दे आर रियली वेरी वेरी फ्रस्ट्रेटेड विद दिस। उसका फ्रस्ट्रेशन ये पत्थरबाजी में दिखा है। ऐसी पत्थरबाजी कैन यू एक्सपेक्ट फ्रॉम स्टूडेंट्स ओवर हियर? जो नॉर्मल स्टूडेंट्स, कॉमन स्टूडेंट्स, वहां सब हजार लोग एबीवीपी के थे, सारे कॉमन स्टूडेंट थे यहाँ पे बैठे हुए। पत्थरबाजी कर रहे हैं।
बात सुनिए,
नहीं है,
मैं बहुत अच्छे से जेएनयू को जानता हूँ, मैं रहा भी हूँ।
सॉरी सर, the JNU that you knew has really changed. It has changed, sir. And now when you come to
JNU very well. आप लोगों ने, मैंने क्या बोला शिखा जी, कर्मा रिटर्न्स, जब द मोदी मिशन की हो रही थी पिक्चर फिल्मिंग वहां पर, तो आप लोगों ने जो पत्थर फेंका, जो लाइट काटी, जो एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन में आपकी जो वाइस चांसलर ने कहा कि हम एक्शन लेंगे,
आप भी बैठ कर देख रहे हो
तो है ना मैडम। जैसे प्रधानमंत्री का पूरी बात सुनिए शिखा जी, शिखा जी प्लीज, आप उससे क्लियर है, बिहेव लाइक इट। सुनिए मुझे, जैसे प्रधानमंत्री जी कहते हैं ना कि हम जीते हुए हैं, तो जो स्टूडेंट्स यूनियन के लोग थे उनको वाइस चांसलर क्यों धमकाए?
Because the truth is not in your favor, it's very unpleasant to you. You stone pelting. This is what the left over here does to every student, every common student. They have been a victim of this barbaric attack.
You know, in fact, only positive thing I find out of this, Shikha, is that everybody across India now knows that the Gujarat riots, the trigger point, the starting point, the reason why the riots happened was because 20 Hindu children, 27 Hindu women, and a total of 59 Hindu devotees were mercilessly burnt alive in Godhra, allegedly by a Muslim mob. ये सच्चाई सबको जानने की जरूरत है, इसको ट्विस्ट करके कोई फायदा नहीं होगा। तीस्ता सेतलवाद का जमाना गया, तीस्ता सेतलवाद का जमाना गया, ओवर, खत्म, नया जमाना है। चलिए बाकी आप, आई थैंक यू वेरी मच लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन।